In today's fast-paced tech world, protecting your data while pushing the boundary of software development is important. Introducing TiDB Serverless Branches, a revolutionary feature that lets you experiment with your data safely without risking your product environment. Within the next few minutes, discover how you can harness this power to innovate fearlessly, streamline your development process, and safeguard your data correctness. Always ease of starting for free. Ready to transform your development strategy? Let's dive in. Hello developers, ever feared a small bug in your code could ruin your precious data? Today we'll introduce a game changer in data management, TiDB Serverless Branches. The dilemma of maintaining a balance between rapid development and data safety has always been a challenge. The risk of data corruption or loss a big amount with every change in the code. But what if you can remove this fear entirely? TiDB Serverless introduces a transformative approach with its branch feature. This isn't just about keeping your data safe, it's about empowering developers to explore, to test limits, and to do so with confidence. Imagine TiDB Serverless Branches as parallel dimensions, similar yet innovative in comparison to GitHub's PRs and branches. Alright, without further ado, let's use this feature directly. We have three ways to use this feature. First, create TiDB Serverless Branch directly. Second, use TiDB Serverless Branch with GitHub Pull Request. Third, use TiDB Serverless Branch with GitHub Action. I will show all of these three methods in case you guys want to use each of them. And if you have any issues or feature requests, please leave us your thoughts in the comments below. On the TiDB Cloud website, you can click Branch and create a branch, then type name and click Create. That's it, you already have a new branch of the TiDB database. If you want to make the branch that bounds to GitHub Pull Request, you can follow the method here. For example, we have a repository here, and we can click Connect to GitHub, and then select the account and repository that you want to choose. At the end, click Connect. As you can see, the button becomes Disconnect, which means you connect it to GitHub repository. Alright, let's test it a bit. We can make a new branch, change the file, commit it, and push it. Then we can open the PR by clicking Compare and Pull Request and create pull request. Ta-da! Here is a TiDB Cloud branching. And if you want to click here, and you can get a document of TiDB Cloud data branching. And last but not least, we can integrate the TiDB Serverless Branch with GitHub Action to achieve your CI. For example, we have a code file like this. Let's scheme it. The getDSN function will use such environment variables like username, password, host, and port to make a DSN, which means the connection string for colon. And the createDB function will literally create a DB instance for you by using DSN that is returned by getDSN function. And we will call the createDB function in the main function and use the query select version to request the TiDB version string and print it. Alright, so what should we do next? We will get the pair of API keys from TiDB Cloud. We need to click Organization type and Organization settings, and then API keys, create API key, and give a meaningful description. Then click Next. Okay, you have the keys. Next step, we will write it to the secret of GitHub's repository. So click Settings, Secret and Variables and Actions. We just want this repository to use the secrets, right? So click New Repository Secret, then create the public key and the private key correspondingly. Then we need to use these variables in GitHub's Actions. This action is mainly about waiting for TiDB Cloud branch to be created. And we will use the pair of keys here and set and build the Go application that we just looked through. And the last step, we will use the output data item from the step that ID is wait for branch, and commit the changes. Then we will create a PR to trigger it. And you will get the version string from branch database. Thank you for joining us on this journey through TiDB Serverless Branches. For more insights and updates, make sure to click subscribe and share your thoughts. Together, let's shape the future of the development. See you in the next video.